Hi everybody, Cali Rose here. We just finished our Thursday ukulele Zoom class for intermediate level players, and I was showing you a lick that I copped from the Monkees version of I'm a Believer. And this lick is different from the arrangement that I've done for this song, which I'm going to hold up for you. See all my messy stuff here. And this lick we're doing on the choruses. So when you look at the chorus and you look at the chords, it's a C, it's a G to a C, G to a C, G to a C throughout most of the chorus. So this lick is instead of that. So you can play the G and the C and the G and the C if you prefer. And the lick, let me just show you and play for you the lick that we're going to focus in on. And I'm going to begin, like we're landing a plane here, on the landing strip here, with the last line of verse 1, which is, disappointment haunted all my dreams, then I saw her face. So starting there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face, that's the lick. Now I'm a believer, not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love, oh yeah, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. And I screen shared, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm just going to hold it up, and it's going to look really weird because I use a green screen. So this part has the trees coming through. God, don't you just love modern technology? So looking at the chorus, we've got pink here, right? And then the last line, we've got green. So the pink part is the lick. And the specific word that is pinked is where we start the lick. We do not play the G, C, G, C, G, C, unless you would prefer to do that version. This lick is instead of these chords. And the lick is a variation of a G major chord. Let me just show you what it looks like. We start off by making this G major chord up the fretboard. I'm going to tell you what the numbers are. 0, 7, 7, 5. So let go and find it again. 0, 7, 7, 5. There's one finger hanging out. It's baby finger, and that's the one that does the magic in this lick on the A string. The baby finger will be playing this melody and lift up there. That's the melody of the lick. So we hold this G form in place through the whole thing. Baby finger starts on the 8th fret, and I'm going to strum down twice. 1, 2. Slide the baby finger to the 7th fret. Strum down twice. Lift the baby finger and strum 4 times. 2 measures. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Again. And then the last line of the chorus, the lyric is love. Oh yeah, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. Then I'm going to travel down to the first 3 frets of the ukulele. No more lick. So here's the tricky part, darlings. I'm going to hold this up again. Is singing and doing the lick at the same time. So we'll take it nice and slow. Be patient with yourselves. This is challenging. The lick itself is challenging, and then to add the layer of vocals on top of it. I would start with just working with the ukulele, and then beginning to hum, and then introducing the lyric. So it would be, then I saw her face, ba, 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 ba. Now I'm a beginner. Start the lick, 2, 3, 1, 2. Not a trace, 2, 3, 4, 1. Of doubt in my mind, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's try it together, really slowly. From disappointment haunted all my dreams. 1, 2, 3, 4. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. Oh yeah, I'm a believer. I wouldn't leave her if I tried. Now for those of you who are curious what these chords actually are, we've got a G major. That baby finger in the 8th fret, that's a G7. Turning this into a G7. Move the baby finger to the 7th fret, that's a G6. And then lift the baby finger off the fretboard, and that's the G. Now, we have a tacit right up here, the last line of the verse. Right here, tacit. So that means that we stop playing the ukulele. We keep singing, but we stop the ukulele. That will give you a cushion of time. Not a very big cushion of time, but a cushion of time to go from the chord D7 up here to make that G major form. So I have to think ahead. Let's try it again. From love, oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, love. Oh yeah. From disappointment. 2, 3, 4. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Tacit. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. Oh yeah, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. So this repeats throughout the song. We have that lick if you want to try it on chorus 2 and on chorus 4. Where's my chorus 3? Did you know I can't count? And we can also do the lick if we want on the introduction. So let's see what I have written on my easier version of this chart. Just G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, which is fine. How many measures in this introduction? We have 4 measures. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this motif that we're doing is 2 measures long, which means we can do that nifty little motif twice in the introduction. Let's try it. So let's get our position, find your G chord, make your G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Again. And I thought love was was only true in fairy tales. Let's try that again. I'm going to turn on the drum. Get your G and your G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought love was only true in fairy tales. Have fun with this, you guys. Thanks for watching. Check out my website, calirose.com. Happy strumming.